Bruschetta with tomato. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Milano Secret Taste channel. Bruschetta, one of the best ways to enjoy the bounty of summer. Pronounced bruschetta, this classic Italian appetizer is a perfect way to capture the flavors of garden-ripened tomatoes, fresh basil, garlic, and olive oil. Think of it as summer on toast. We like things to be simple, wholesome ingredients, fresh flavors, and few ingredients. So when we find something we love, we make it often. The recipe we are presenting that's gonna relish your taste buds just by viewing the recipe. And when you are going to try it, we are sure you will love it. So let's get into the most delicious and one of the secret Italian recipe. Ingredients for 2 bruschetta: 2 slices of bread, 2 large tomatoes, 10 basil leaves, 1 clove of garlic, Origano, oil, salt. The ingredients mentioned are so fresh healthy, you can imagine how good the outcome would be of this combination. Now let's combine all these and make a delicious dish. Wash the tomatoes, which must be ripe and juicy. Cut them into cubes. The smaller the cubes, the better they will spread over the slices of bread. Cut a part of the basil leaves into pieces that are not too small and keep a part to put with the whole leaf for the final decoration. Add salt and oregano according to your taste. Put the pieces of basil leaves. Add the oil, about 2 tablespoons. Leave the tomatoes to rest to allow excess water to escape. After about 15 minutes, check the amount of water in the bowl of tomatoes, and if there is too much, remove it so as not to wet the slices of bread too much. On a very hot pan, toast the slices of bread on both sides. The slices of bread must not be too thin. 1 centimeter is ideal, because otherwise they dry out too much and then crumble when eaten. Once the slices have been toasted, take the clove of garlic and rub it on the bread, then add the tomatoes, complete with more oil and more oregano. Decorate with the remaining basil leaves. Man, the dish is already triggering out the taste buds. Can't wait to just taste this wonderful Italian dish. Are you also into the mouth-watering situation? Then try the recipe and let us know in the comment box below about your experience. Now let's just know a bit details about this amazing and tasteful preparation. So what basically bruschetta is? Bruschetta, pronounced bruschetta, is an Italian appetizer or antipasti that starts with a base of toasted or rolled bread. The bread is then served warm either with a topping spooned over or with a topping on the side so each person can build their own bruschetta. Bruschetta is meant to be served as a handheld finger food, large enough for 1 or 2 bites. You can top bruschetta with more than tomatoes, too. For example, try strawberry bruschetta and peach brulee burrata bruschetta for dessert-like versions. Hope you liked the video? Well, if you do so, then just do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit the bell icon to see the videos on time. Till take care and thanks for watching.